Another day, another quiz. So let's go. What would be the output of the following expression? 3. So what would be the output of the following of this Java snippet? 12. So A returns 5, then A becomes 6. This increments H7 and returns 7. So 5 plus 7 equals 12. So what is the result of true operand false or true operand true? True operand false is false, true operand true is true, then false operand true is true. The overwhelming majority means that, the result is going to be true. What would be the output of this ternary operation? So A is less than B, and then you got this ratio. Then system output wants us to print out the minimum value. So yeah, the minimum value is going to be 10, and 20 divided by 10 is 10. Which operation has the highest precedence in Java? So this is the one that's used the most. Multiplication is the most in Java. Which operator is used for addition in Java? Plus. Simple maths. What is the result of 7 percentage 3 in Java? What? Which class is commonly used for taking console input in Java? Scanner. Which of the following is not a logical operator in Java? You know, that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, until next time, take care and God bless.